Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goyal. My subject is Knowledge in Curriculum. Topic for today is Role of Apex Bodies in Providing Curriculum and Pedagogic Support to Teachers within Schools, CBSE. The Central Board of Secondary Education was formed officially in 1962 with the sole purpose of making a common standard and platform for every student in the countries with headquarters at New Delhi. It aims to facilitate learning for physical, emotional, social, and intellectual well being of students. It is a pace setting national board of school education in the country. It envisions a robust, vibrant, and holistic school education that may engender excellence in every sphere of human endeavor. It works towards evolving a learning process and an environment which empowers the future citizens to become global leaders in the emerging knowledge society. It has regional offices in Allahabad, Ajmer, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Dehradun, Delhi, Guwahati, Panchkula, Patna, and Trivandrum. Main objectives are to define appropriate approaches of academic activities to provide stress free, child centered, and holistic education to all children without compromising on quality, to analyze and monitor the quality of academic activities, to develop norm for implementation of various activities, including quality issues, to adapt and innovate methods to achieve academic excellence in conformity with the psychological, pedagogical, and social principles, to encourage schools to document the progress of students in a teacher and student friendly way, to propose plans to achieve quality benchmarks in school education, organize various capacity building and empowerment programs, prescribe conditions of examinations and conduct public examination, fulfill the educational requirements of those students whose parents are employed in transferable job, affiliate institutions for the purpose of examination and raise the academic standards of the society country. Its role in providing curriculum and pedagogic support is innovations in teaching learning methodologies by devising student friendly and student centered paradigm, reforms in examinations and evaluation practices, skill learning by adding job oriented and job linked inputs, regularly updating the pedagogical skills of the teacher and administrators by conducting in service training programs, workshops, etc. Thank you.